Today we are going to learn how to stop Windows 10 update. Actually, I'm facing a little difficulties about Windows updating because as you can see, my computer configuration isn't high. This means that I have insufficient space in my computer, and what to do so I have to stop and do I have to talk this thing. Let's get started. First go to control panel, see your admin. From control panel, select administrative tools. If this all the icon not shows, have to click here, and from large icon or small icon, from category you have to select large icon. Okay. Administrative tools. From administrative tools, double click service. And scroll down all the down here until you find out Windows Update. Windows Update. Here it is, Windows Update. Double click on it, and from here you can stop. Now status showing, service status showing running. Stop here. This will stop your Windows Update a couple of days, but not permanently. If you want to stop your Windows Update permanently, then from startup type, select disable and apply and press OK. This will permanently stop your Windows 10 update. Hopefully this video will help you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.